Okay, this is just a short one. Anne's back from the hospital, as you can tell, and this is Anne's present. Well, it's a boat's present really. It's a washing machine and a spin dryer. I know it's saying, oh, don't tell me that. Well, there's only two of us, isn't there? So that's all we need, isn't it? There's the controls. That's the washer. That's the spinner, I think.
That's washer, that's spinner.
That's the washer, and that's the spinner.
Yep.
That's what I said. I'll come down here so you can see the front. And its energy consumption. Oh, sorry about that. It's what you called it at the minute.
Just easier really than going to the laundrette, isn't it? Hey.
Say it again.
I said it's a lot easier for me than going to the laundrette.
It's also a lot cheaper. We worked it out. It's £80 a trip.
£10 a washing machine.
2 trips, 160 quid. And trust me, that didn't cost 160 quid. So 2 trips and it's paid for itself. 2 lots of washing is paid for itself on it.
100 quid it costed that.
So there you go. You don't need to know how much it cost us. It's got nothing to do with anybody else. But that's our new washing machine.
But they are made for the boats.
But it is. They are specially made for boats, caravans, etc. So, had a busy day. Had a busy yesterday as well. I did shoot a diary, but it didn't put it down on the SD card.
I had to do my Uber order.
Anne's been just doing her Uber order.
Oh, dropped it there.
So, are you happy, Anne?
I will when I do my Uber, when I get around to get the Uber order sorted out, I will pay.
Any regrets on moving?
No.
No, not at all. Good. Right.
I even been getting my same taxi driver going to hospital lately.
Oh, that's good, isn't it?
So I get my own personal taxi driver now.
Good, isn't it?
Nice when you get the same one.
You can see that next to mine.
What?
But that's the new desk.
Oh, sorry.
It's got stuff on it at the minute, but don't worry.
Alright, it's doing it now. Brilliant.
That's the printer on the desk, but that's our new desk. So all we
Doing
really
it now.
good. All we really need now is a sofa, which is the next on the list. NatWest Bank. I've got to say, don't bank with NatWest. Lawrence died in October. We notified that he died
Straight away?
virtually straight away, a week after he died.
No, it wasn't. It was 2 days after he died.
And we've still not had the money out of the account. So I don't, anybody who's thinking of joining the NatWest,
Don't.
I don't make it's not that I have to make social comments, but I wouldn't if I were you. They'd like taking your money off you, but they don't like giving it you back. Or giving it your next of kin back. Right, so I'm going to say bye.
All the palaver we've had with it though.
Go on.
Saying all the palaver we've had with it. We sent them all the ID and everything they asked for, didn't we?
Yeah.
And quadrupled it because we've had to send it all again, haven't we?
Yeah,
And then today we had to send it all again. So 3 times.
biz to say the least. Right. That's that. That's me. I'll show you this. You might well see this.
Oh, you changed some.
Just bear with me a minute.
Oh, what my goodness. But the old pot can go do a tomato on the old pot.
6-inch battery operated chainsaw.
That was a good buy, that one.
And you may look at go, oh, cheap. Well, trust me.
You could buy that.
Our logs are oak. 3-inch oak logs. It was cutting in half for us. So I would recommend this to anybody. Seriously. Spare chain down there. There's a spare chain down there. 2 batteries. A pair of gloves, and maintenance, etc. There's the 2 batteries. I pull them out into the light. There's the 2 batteries, both on charge. Oh, they will be on charge now. That was just the doorbell I turned back on. That's the vacuum cleaner battery. So that's it.
What? Oh, the vacuum just got back in charge.
That's the chainsaw.
Really? I just sort of painting while I'm looking as well.
That's what it looks like.
Oh.
And there's the chain.
Can I put these tomorrow for breakfast?
Excellent. Right, so I'm going to say, go on, going to hand it over to Anne. Anything final words to say?
Yeah.
What?
Egg butties for breakfast tomorrow.
There you go. Bye bye. You all take care. You all take care.
Bye.
And have a lovely evening. You all take care. Remember to like, subscribe, and tell your friends about us. If you don't like us, subscribe anyway. We don't, we'd like that. You take care. Bye bye, Hal.